This video explains what trust is, what it does, how it's the first stage, and what XRP will do next. Regarding institutional purchasers, I understand everything. Arranged in rows. I just released the tweet a little while ago. If you were quicker than me, you may have read it already. Without further ado, let's get started. Bitcoin has increased by 1.47% to $58,221 from the previous day, while Ethereum has closed at $2,355. As of right now, USDT and USDC are up 66%. Both USDT and USDC finished at 99 cents, similar to XRP's price. Examine its value at 59 cents, folks. It arrived at 55 cents, pardon my faux pas, and is currently up 4.31%. Yes, I understand that many of you are aware of the exciting news, but why did the price increase today? Come back down, it's that easy. People, look at that huge price jump. Retail is not the source of this huge price jump. Price is irrelevant when it comes to shifting the price of XRP that was a significant purchase from a large organization or institution, or, in other words, someone with money at the moment. You all wanted $1, but the market isn't moving, so relax. Our time will come. We're very close to reaching a 2-for-1 situation. Avoid getting nice and timed to the bottom of this in hopes that XRP drops if you want to buy. One more penny. In the grand scheme of things, this is all quite insignificant. The market capitalization of cryptocurrencies is still above $2 trillion, even though we would prefer to see it at that level. As you are aware, the market capitalization of cryptocurrencies is currently over $60 billion, and I will continue to update you on this information until the 4th day of its release on Bitmart. Simply gripping a 12x smoothly, why not? All holders have received over 1 million XRP, and we do so every month. Additionally, we've added an NFT stake where you can earn the coin that our cryptocurrency uses. It is useful and will serve as the metaverse fuel token for the in-game economy. We are anticipating the release of a battle royale game, a trading card game, and a shooting game, and this is only the beginning of greatness. The token needs to be used. You are required to utilize the token. There are just 500 million. Once we completed the treasure chest, I instructed you to grab the tokens, which were quite inexpensive, from the NFTs. I had forewarned you that we would launch at 3 cents, so it would be prudent for you to purchase this item as soon as possible, as it was destined for the moon. This is not financial advice, but what did it accomplish at moon? I told you it was sitting, so that's where it is. It's sitting so pretty right now. Over the past 24 hours, the trading volume has increased by approximately 36 cents to 200 million. As I predicted when it launched, it would soar and reach $1, though it briefly fell to 60 cents. When the price of TLN rises back above that of XRP, it will be worth more than XRP. What are we currently doing? We're having fun. We are floating and enjoying ourselves immensely, and you can be sure that more people will follow suit. Since there are only 500 million of these items, as I spread the news, I enlist the aid of others in doing the same. People will continue to make purchases, and before you know it, they will still be doing so. The market conditions will remain unchanged for us. The AAC is approximately $25, and we currently have the same amount in circulation. When I finish this damn project, the supply will have a larger use case than the axe. It's easy to get on Walmart, even for Americans, so don't be a fool and do it yourself. Don't kick yourself in the butt. Investigation. If you ask questions in the Discord channel and DM me, I'll provide everything. You must be aware that we have never collided. We are here, and we have no intention of hiding. Anyone but these fake projects built on the XRP ledger that isn't us. We've done it by the books. That's how we became the largest. Think about it. We are the most transparent and honest organization out there. Here's the exciting news for all of you at Grayscale. Here, bada bee bada boom, we are thrilled to announce the launch of Grayscale's XRP Trust, a new single-asset cryptocurrency investment fund that will be accessible to qualified and credited investors through private placement. That's me, there. Perhaps I should buy some of this from Drake. For me, people are not necessary. I can acquire a trust without having to. I'm a mature boy. I know how to cash out, and I can manage my own XRP. I am competent in managing my own XRP and do not require it. According to Andrew Zell, Brad Garlinghouse expressed his pleasant surprise at hearing this news, although he clarified that it wasn't also an invention. As previously stated, I anticipate that this market will expand and that XRP's price will rise. Everyone should aim to reach 75 cents by the end of the year to have everything they need. Those steps will prepare us for 2025, US XRP holders' best year ever. In 4 months, we will reach an all-time high in 2025. We have 4 months to make a permanent change in your life. I had a fascinating question today. Someone said to me, "Hey, look, I don't need the money when XRP goes up. Should I ride this out until the next bull run, or should I cash out?" Examine. You ultimately do what best suits your needs, but based on past cycles and more than 10 years worth of data, there is always a correction. If you have the opportunity to sell XRP at, say, $3 and buy backing at $1, you will, in all honesty, double or triple your bag, and you will then be in an even better position for the next bull cycle, assuming there is one. The cycle begins with institutional capital. Folks, we may not witness another bull run. Why wouldn't you consider that? Surely you would do that? According to statistics spanning more than a decade, there is always a correction, and there you have it, Chad. Declare the grayscale public. XRP Trust made $10.70 on September 11th, but our work is far from over. Dr. Profit stated, "I have consistently stated that XRP, not Solana, will be the next Ethereum ETF. Despite numerous claims and discussions, I have repeatedly outlined this fact in my report on XRP. Grayscale announced the first XRP Trust, which will likely launch in 4 to 8 months. You already know what will happen next. The price of XRP will increase, we will receive institutional funding, and the price of XRP will rise to unprecedented levels. Look at this now. I have broken this down for you all. Now, let's examine it on the largest scale. The XRP Trust is an investment option that incorporates XRP tokens. Institutional investors looking for a consistent, uncomplicated, and strictly regulated way to invest in cryptocurrencies frequently utilize these trusts because they provide investors with an easy option to invest in XRP without having to purchase, hold, or manage the cryptocurrencies themselves. The Grayscale XRP Trust is one example. It functions similarly to an exchange-traded fund but uses XRP as its main asset. Investors purchase sharing trusts, which represent the part of XRP they own. Often, XRP sets the share value, or it follows the market price. Pay attention to this. These crucial trusts are popular choices for people who wish to avoid the difficulties of directly owning cryptocurrencies because they are regulated or established to comply with legal requirements. As I mentioned at the start of this video, I don't need to be a member of the trust because I understand how to purchase XRP. XRP supports trust, allowing individuals who prefer not to interact with cryptocurrency wallets, sign-up procedures, money transfers, Bitcoin transactions, and related activities to buy it on a grayscale basis. This signifies the entry of traditional funds into the market. I then release this. What happens after that? Now that the XP Trust has been established, what happens next? I believe that this trust is the first step towards obtaining an ETF, particularly in the cryptocurrency field. Where did he get his start? Honesty Dark Rock, I don't know where he came from, but he seems to be lacking in demand. There is no market for XRP, hence, there won't ever be an exchange-traded fund, ETF, for it. So, what does a trust do? It fulfills a very basic consumer need. Trust can demonstrate that there is a market for a specific asset or industry. For example, if the market is successful, this demand might support the introduction of a more regulated and easily accessible product, such as an ETF transition path. Certain trust executives have attempted to switch to ETFs. For example, Scal has been attempting to transform its trust into a Bitcoin ETF to increase liquidity. Do you understand the procedures? Trust acts as a means to test the waters before full-scale ETF approval, with tighter pricing and more accessible investment opportunities. Do you see what's happening here? Let's go more than halfway there. Following this, when they observe the market demand for the trust, the ETF arrives, folks. It is not going to happen this year. If it did, wouldn't it be fantastic? The year is 2025. I've been calling about it. I have informed you that in 2025 there will be an XRP ETF.